Hey guys, Jacob from DataDoe's team and welcome to our weekly updates video. This week we've done a lot of new things as we are pretty much launching our app very soon. So as you may know, we are in the alpha stage. We are running it with more than 30 users, testing it, trying new prompts and figuring out what features are pretty much worth it before we launch DataDoe. Let's go through this week update. So first of all, quite a few smaller things, connection details. We've made some improvements for the new users. Now if you try to add new connections to DataDoe, so your Seller Central or advertisement account will be much easier to do so as we have more details when it comes to adding the accounts. So as you see here in the table, we've added also selling partner ID and you actually will know that there's a pair. So for example, here we have the same selling partner ID, we've connected Seller Central and Amazon ads. So you can actually create the pair, which is the context in a DataDoe, meaning that all of the prompts that you are doing are related to this particular store. Now we've added also a context table here. So before we are creating context in the background and it was just one default context, a pair of the SP API and the advertisement API. Now you can create the context manually. You can pick your store. You can create your Seller Central or ads. And the great thing right now is that you can also just connect the Seller Central or the ads and you can still chat with DataDoe. You will not have all of the data, of course, but you'll still be able to query it. Now, a couple of smaller things. We've improved those conversations. Now you can pin your conversations, change the names, delete them, so you can actually organize them pretty well. Some smaller things that were not possible before, you can actually copy text from charts, from tables. One of the smaller things is also that now if a prompt failed, this one actually didn't fail, you'll get the prompt to actually regenerate if something fails, or if you are not satisfied with the data, you can actually ask for it again. Now, we are working on something very cool. This is just work in progress, but I want to show you already. This is a control tower where you'll be able to see your most important analytics such as profit and loss. We plan to actually also add cost of goods in the future. You can actually filter it. You'll have your onboarding guide. You'll have announcements from a team we are currently working on or overall important announcements and scheduled prompts. This is something I'm very excited about as you'll be able to create your own dashboards with your own prompts that I'll run on demand as a recurring jobs. So a lot of exciting stuff to come. Now, when it comes to chat itself, we've added a lot of data points. So let me go through them. What's new? We got FBA inventory and unsellables. We got FBM returns and top return reasons. We got search engagement data such as impressions and add to carts. We got sponsor brands ad placements, per ASIN sales and traffic, campaign level ad performance. Now let's go very quickly through the examples from each of those categories. All right, so from sales and traffic, you can, for example, ask DataDoe, what were my top 5 ASINs in units sold in the last 2 days? You got the top performance, what it means. You got the analytics here. For the FBA inventory, you can, for example, ask DataDoe, list products for which I currently have unsellable inventory. And DataDoe responded, products with current unsellable inventory. And we got the ASINs, we got the units that are unsellable, so you can actually go deeper and deeper and investigate those ASINs. And we got much more. So overall, when it comes to those categories and prompts, we have sales and traffic with those prompts, FBA inventory, for example, with this prompt, orders with those prompts, catalog items with those prompts, listings with those prompts, returns, accounts health, search engagement, and those categories comes from Seller Central. And we also got a lot of data from Amazon advertisement API. So from the categories, we get campaign performance with those suggested prompts to try it out, product level ads with those prompts, keyword targeting with those prompts, and sponsor brands with those prompts. So as you see, we are adding a lot of data on pretty much daily basis at this point and a lot of other features and improvements. And we are super excited to finally launch DataDoe to the public. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, follow our journey of building DataDoe. You'll be very soon able to actually play with it as we are really launching it soon. Thanks a lot and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.